Why doing less is often the correct move. Most beginners think they are stuck because they are not doing enough. But very often, they are even doing too much too early. Section number one, the misunderstanding. Online culture rewards business, visibility, constant activities. So people think and believe. So they think doing less feels irresponsive. But progress doesn't come from motion, rather, it comes from aligned motion. Section number two, why more creates noise. When you add more, that is, you add more platform, more tools, more strategies, you don't grow faster, you split focus. And split focus kills momentum quietly. So doing less allow you to be consistent, learning, and confident. Section number three, what less really means. Doing less doesn't mean laziness. Rather, it means one platform, one message, one simple system. When effort compounds, clarity replaces motivation. If reducing your workload brings relief, then you are probably moving in the right direction. The structure I use is linked below very calmly.